late night at around 11:35 hours, Verna police station has received a phone call saying that a motor vehicle accident has
काल
taken
रात्री
place
वेर्ना
in
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये
IBC
झालेल्या
Verna
बस
area
अपघातात
inside.
4 निष्पाप मजुरांचा बळी गेला असून 5 पेक्षा अधिक मजूर जखमी झाल्याचे सांगण्यात येते. बसच्या
carrying the passengers come employees of Rauschenberger company were being taken after their duties. There is a slope from the company when you are coming
काल
down
रात्री
towards the
वेर्ना
main road.
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये
Now this is a
झालेल्या
road,
बस
internal road of
अपघातात
the IBC,
4
Verna,
निष्पाप मजुरांचा
from
बळी गेला
Iron
असून
Gate
5 पेक्षा
junction,
अधिक मजूर
going
जखमी
towards
झाल्याचे
the
सांगण्यात
IBC
येते.
road.
बसच्या
And the bus, when it was trying to either negotiate the turn to take towards the left on the slope, the driver failed in his driving and straight away rammed
काल
the
रात्री
bus
वेर्ना
into the
इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये
hutments which were by the
झालेल्या
side of
बस
the road,
अपघातात 4
which were
निष्पाप
done
मजुरांचा
for
बळी गेला
doing
असून
the,
5 पेक्षा अधिक मजूर जखमी
pavement
झाल्याचे
works by the
सांगण्यात
side
येते.
of the road.
बसच्या
There were workers sleeping inside, 8 of them, they got injured. 4 of them